Use the seal kit NT1808 for the overhaul. If a major overhaul is needed, use the repair kit NT1816. Lubricate the new plate gasket. Whilst mounting, make sure that it is aligned correctly. Assemble the plate with a piston rod nut. Clean the piston with a cloth. Lubricate the piston O-ring with grease and mount it. Mount the new piston support ring and lubricate it with grease. Lubricate the new piston slide ring with grease and mount it. Replace the O-rings on the bottom piece. Lubricate the new O-rings with grease. Clean the grooves in the bottom piece with a cloth before mounting new O-rings.